This is the answer key for air practice number 4, due Sunday, April 4th, I think. April 5th, sorry. All right, so question number 1 asks for the GCF using prime factorization. So I made factor trees for both 56 and 84, and then listed the prime factors in order, found the common factors, multiplied them together, and got the answer 28. Number 2, factor trees for 63 and 81, listed the prime factors in order, circled the common factors, multiplied them together, so the answer is 9. Number 3, more GCF, factor trees, prime factors, found the common, and our GCF is 32. 36 and 48 were the next two numbers that I made factor trees for. Listed the prime factorization with the numbers in order, found the common, and the GCF is 12. Next section is LCM, least common multiple. Number 5, find the LCM for 3 and 4. Listed the multiples for 3 and 4 until I found the common one was 12. Number 6, 4 and 10, LCM is 20. Number 7, 4 and 12, LCM is 12. Number 8, numbers 8 and 9, least common multiple is 72. Number 1 on the air questions, what is the greatest common factor of 60 and 90? Made factor trees for 60 and 90, found the GCF was 30, so the answer is C. Number 2, what is the least common multiple of 10 and 12? Listed the multiples. Answer is 60, letter B. Number 3, Molly has 24 muffins, 18 breakfast bars, and 12 bottles of juice to be distributed evenly among certain number of welcome baskets. And I underlined the important information. She wants to package the maximum number of welcome baskets that contain the same combination of muffins, breakfast bars, and bottles of juice, which shows the correct number of muffins, breakfast bars, and juice bottles along with the proper explanation. Circle all that apply. So of course that makes me think there are more than one answer when it says circle all that apply. We're looking for the maximum number, or the greatest number, so this tells me we're looking for GCF. So when I do GCF for 24, 18, and 12, I get 4 muffins, 3 breakfast bars, and 2 juice bottles, because you can divide 24, 18, and 12 by 6. 6 is the GCF. Then I also checked the last answer, which says 4 muffins, 3 breakfast bars, and 2 juice bottles, because you divide 24, 18, 12 by their greatest common factor, which we already established was 6. So both the second and the fourth answer are correct for number 3. This question would be worth 2 points because there are 2 correct answers. Number 4, a 6th grade class has 12 boys and 8 girls. Teacher wants to divide them into groups that have the same number of boys and the same number of girls. What is the greatest, keyword, common number of groups the teacher can make? So we're talking greatest common factor. So GCF of 12 and 8 is 4. So our answer is A. Number 5, Karen has 30 photos from a trip to Dallas and 48 photos from a trip to Austin. She wants to put all of the photos in an album, so the photos from each trip are in separate sections. She also wants the same number of photos on each page. What is the greatest number of photos, keywords, she can put on each page? So that is GCF. So we're looking at the greatest common factor of 30 and 48. Do my prime factorization. Common numbers are 2 and 3, so our answer is 6, letter B. Last question, what is the greatest common factor of 24 and 42? Again, doing GCF prime factorization, we find that the GCF is 8, so letter A. Counting up all the points of the questions, we have 15 points because number 3 on the last page is worth 2 points. So you need to create a proportion in order to find your percentage correct. You're going to put the number that you answered correct over 15 total points, each question worth 1 point, except for the one question that had 2 answers was worth 2 points. So count up your number of points that you earned, put it over 15, and then you are looking for your percent. Percent is always over 100. So cross multiply the number correct times 100, divide by 15 to get your percent correct. Enter this into the Google form on your virtual assignments document.